At Test.io, we never say, oh, you should replace your testers or your QA team with Test.io. We like to think of ourselves much more as a force multiplier for your testers and for your team. And also, and I think this is really important, as a force that levels the playing field. Because out there in the world, there's a lot of talk about DevOps and about how you can automate all the things and how everything can be perfect through these extreme levels of automation that companies like Google or Facebook are doing. But what you don't hear when you read these stories, you don't hear, first of all, that their products receive tremendous manual testing from internal teams, and then from employees at that company who are able to do a lot of testing. And then they're released to 0.1% of user communities, which in this case is 2 million people. And then there's a lot of telemetry that comes back. And so that when the general public finally receives that piece of software, it's been tested manually, it's been tested automatically, it's been kind of crowd tested by unwitting customers who are participating in this thing just because they're using a piece of software that is free and has huge volumes. Most companies who are doing most kinds of software development will never have those kinds of advantages. And so what the crowd is, and this is, I think, where the future of it is as well, the crowd is sort of a proxy for all of those customers that you have who you can't deputize as testers because your business doesn't let you. And I think that's an important thing to remember whenever you read a lot of the hoopla about what DevOps is and what it means, is that ultimately all of this is about your customer. And if you can find a reasonably good proxy for your customer base who can do the kinds of things with your software that your customer base is going to do when it's in production for all of them, that's a great use for crowd testing.